Bengal prepare this type of pandals during Durga Puja Mahotsav, and they worship Ma Durga with deep faith. You can see the pandal is made up of bamboo and cloth. Even you can see there is a huge idol of Ma Durga in the middle of the pandal. You can also see the idols of other gods and goddesses in the pandal. See, the people are worshipping Ma Durga in the pandal. They visit the pandal and worship Ma Durga. These pandals are very huge and decorative. You can see one decorative and huge pandal. It's very beautiful. Kavita talks further about this pandal. Let's read it. Kavita, they are temporary temples. We put huge idol of Durga in the pandal. Children, Kavita explains these are temporary temples. મિત્રો, ગણેશ મહોત્સવ દરમિયાન જેવી રીતે આપણે આપણા ગામમાં એક હ્યુજ પેન્ડલ બનાવીએ છીએ, એની અંદર ગણેશ ભગવાનની હ્યુજ આઇડોલ મૂકીએ છીએ, એવી જ રીતે બંગાળીઓ દુર્ગા પૂજા મહોત્સવ દરમિયાન એક હ્યુજ એન્ડ ડેકોરેટિવ પેન્ડલ બનાવે છે અને એની અંદર દુર્ગા માતાની હ્યુજ આઇડોલ મૂકે છે. પીપલ visit the pandal and worship Ma Durga. This is a picture of pandal. And in this pandal, you can see huge idols of mother goddesses. Children, તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો? What do people do on Durga Puja Mahotsav? And even you can understand the meaning of Puja Pandal. Now, Kavita talks more about Durga Puja Mahotsav. Let's read further. Kavita, people stand in a long queue to see the Durga idol. Children, this is very simple line. You can see the people are standing in a queue to worship Ma Durga. They come to the pandal to see the Durga idol. Just like we go to Ganesh pandal to see the idol of Ganesh during Ganesh Mahotsav. તો મિત્રો, એટલા જ માટે કેતકી કહે છે કે this is just like Ganesh Mahotsav. Let's read it. Ketki, well, this sounds like Ganesh Mahotsav. Ketkiye સાચું જ કહ્યું છે. Children, you can see two pictures on the screen. એક બાજુ ગણેશ મહોત્સવનું પિક્ચર છે અને એક બાજુ દુર્ગા મહોત્સવનું પિક્ચર છે. You can see the similarities. There are huge pandals. They are very decorative. You can see huge idol of Ganeshji and Durga Mata. You can also see people are visiting the pandals. They are worshipping. On the one side, people are worshipping Lord Ganesh, and on the other side, people are worshipping Ma Durga. So, Ketki has well said. It sounds like Ganesh Mahotsav. Children, Kavita also agrees with Ketki. Let's see, what does she say? Kavita, you are quite right. India is one in many ways. Vividta mein ekta. Children, Kavita સાચું જ કહે છે. India is one in many ways. There are so many differences and still we are united. That means vividhtaમાં ekta. Children, you can see pictures of Durga Puja and Navratri Mahotsav. Here in Gujarat, we worship Ma Amba during Navratri. In West Bengal, people worship Ma Durga during Durga Puja Mahotsav. We both worship Mother Goddess but in different ways. That is why it is called Vividhta Ekta. And that's why Kavita says Vividhta mein ekta. Children, now Ketki comments on Kavita's response. Let's see. Ketki, how lovely. And do you immerse the Durga idol like Ganesh idol? Here, Ketki is very curious to know about what happens to Durga idol after Durga Puja Mahotsav. So, she asks, do the people from West Bengal immerse the Durga idol like Ganesh idol? Children, see the picture. people are immersing idol of Ganesh. Similarly, in the West Bengal, people immerse the idol of Durga after Durga Puja Mahotsav. Let's read further. Kavita blank. During immersion procession, we chant Durga Mai Ki Jai and Ashti Bochor Abar Hobe. Children, you can see the immersion procession of Ma Durga after Durga Puja Mahotsav. They chant Ashti Bochor Abar Hobe. These are Bengali words. Now, you can see one more picture of immersion procession. Here, people are going towards the river with Durga idol, and they are chanting Durga Mata Ki Jai during the procession. Just as we chant Ganpati Bappa Moria during Ganesh immersion procession. Here Kavita explains, yes, we do have immersion procession of Ma Durga's idol. Here she further explains, during immersion procession they chant Durga Mai Ki Jai, and in Bengali they chant Ashti Bochor Abar Hobe. These are Bengali words. Children, do you want to know what are the meaning of these words? Let's see. What does Ketki ask? Ketki blank. Kavita, it means it will happen again next year. Children, here Ketki asks, what is the meaning of Ashti Bochor Abar Hobe? And Kavita replies, it means it will happen again next year. તો બ્લેન્કમાં આપણે આવું મૂકી શકીએ. What does it mean? મિત્રો, તમારી ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં આ જવાબ લખી નાખો. લખાઈ ગયું ને? હવે જોઈએ કવિતા અને કેતકી બીજી શું વાતો કરે છે. Let's read the dialogue further. Ketki laughs. Kavita, this also sounds familiar. કેતકી અહીંયા કહે છે, આ પણ જાણીતું લાગી રહ્યું છે. It sounds familiar, like Ganesh Mahotsav. In Ganesh Mahotsav, we immerse the idol of Ganesh, and in Durga Puja, they immerse the idol of Ma Durga. In Ganesh Mahotsav, we say Ganpati Bappa Moria, Agle Baras Tu Jaldiya. And in Durga Puja, they say Ashti Bochor Abar Hobe. That means it will happen again next year. એટલા માટે જ કેતકી એવું કહે છે કે this also sounds familiar. Let's see what does Kavita say further. Kavita, yes dear, it affirms again that Indian culture is all in one from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. Children, here Kavita agrees with Ketki that Indian culture is all in one from Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. So, Vividhitama Ekta. Now, let's read further. Ketki blank. Kavita, why not? I will send the photographs with Bengali sweets. Here Ketki asks something to Kavita, and Kavita agrees with Ketki. કવિતાએ શું કહ્યું હશે? Did you understand? Think about the answer. Read the answer of Kavita. Kavita says, why not? I will send the photographs with Bengali sweets. I think Ketki has asked to send photograph. So we can write down, will you send me the photographs? આ પ્રશ્ન અહીંયા બ્લેન્કમાં આપણે લખવાનો છે. Will you send me the photographs? મિત્રો આ જવાબ તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં So children, Ketki is asking for photograph and Kavita agrees and she says, I will send the photographs with Bengali sweets. અહીંયા કવિતા photographs ની સાથે Bengali sweets પણ મોકલવાનું કહી રહી છે. તો જોઈએ કેતકીએ શું આન્સર આપ્યો હશે? Ketki, that is very sweet of you. Kavita laughs. You are welcome. Here Ketki replies to Kavita, you are very sweet. How sweet of you. And Kavita says, you are welcome. She is thanking her for sending photographs with Bengali sweets. So children, today we read the dialogue and came to know so much about Durga Puja. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Read the dialogue once again and enact the dialogue in your school assembly. Okay then, have a nice time. Bye bye.